Hi, welcome to How to Draw a Symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw a birthday cake. Let's start off by drawing a long horizontal curve for the top of the cake. Then, extend the lines down on either side like so. From one end to the other, draw a drippy line that curves up and down for the frosting. Underneath, draw 2 lines on either side that extend down, followed by another longer horizontal curve to start the bottom tier of the cake. Like before, extend the lines down on either side, connect the ends with a drippy line going up and down, and draw 2 more lines extending down from either side. And finish off the tier with a long horizontal line curving downward slightly. To add a bready texture, draw some really small dots grouped together below the frosting. Then, you can decorate your cake with whatever you want. I'm going to add a bunch of dot-shaped sprinkles on mine. Lastly, top it all off with some birthday cake candles. If you want to learn how to draw some birthday candles, make sure to check out our video in the description below. And now you've got a birthday cake.